am getting ready. We finna go DoorDash and shop, okay? We've been DoorDashing. Look, we got us some pizza. I was gonna get him a little personal pizza, and then I was gonna get what's Chick-fil-A, but I was like, might as well just get some pizza because he's not gonna eat that whole thing by him. Well, he might actually, but after, as soon as he got done eating, I got one DoorDash order. He went to sleep immediately. He was asleep before I had even got the food, the DoorDash. He was asleep for like an hour maybe. But yeah, I'm about to DoorDash around here. Actually, I really want to go out the way because the orders, they be paying more. I'm about to go. Oh, it's not even available right now. That's crazy. I'm probably finna get a Popeye's order. Everybody be going crazy for, look. Uh-oh. What's today? Today's the 7th. Been stuck in the house for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 4 days. Today Tuesday? And I'm gonna be stuck in the house tomorrow too. So 5 days, baby. But it's been 4 days so far. I'm going crazy. We gotta get up out of here. I gotta get myself together. I just gotta go down there, warm the car up. Okay, I'm ready. I don't know what I'm about to do. I've been stalling because I don't want to go out there. It's cold. And I ain't got no gloves. I want to wear my scarf yet. Do I? I'm hungry. And I need to go to the store. I don't even know if Kroger is open or not. Yeah, I literally have not been out of the house since Friday. I almost left Saturday, but we're not gonna talk about that. Oh no, I ain't going nowhere. Oh no. Baby, this is ice. I hope this ain't. This is all ice. I think I'm about to go back inside and let this melt a little bit. Anywho, dang, I didn't bring my mic or nothing. Absolutely hate going out in public and recording because people are staring and like I already got really bad anxiety, so it's just like 10 times worse. Like, oh my gosh. What do you want to look? I don't know. We can get a pizza. Am I going the right way? I don't think I am. Do I know where I'm going? No. Sit up. Damn, they got all the tea, didn't they? People be acting like, y'all be acting like the world ended. We just snowed in. Never that serious. What's wrong to the bud? Oh, go back. We are, baby. We just gotta get some food. You wanna starve? Yeah, we need some chocolate. And by we, I do mean me. Excuse us. Thank you, you too. Thank you. I like your hair. No, I think it's in the back actually. I don't know. I don't like the way this Walmart is set up. It's so stupid to me. It doesn't make sense in my brain. Why are you pulling me? I just need paint trays. Let's see.
So you can't eat it?
Nope.
Let's go. Let's go.
Can I find what I need first?
No. But yeah.
I'm looking for paint trays, not paint. I don't know why I'm stopping at the paint. I mean, it should be over here somewhere. Why are you down there and I'm over here? Why are you over there and I'm over here? I don't know why I'm not over here. Come on, Mr. Man. I found me a paint tray. We gotta find some paint. This is really what I need. This big old. This one. You wanna make slime? No, we can't have slime at Buddy Man's house. Oh, I forgot I need to charge my camera. We made it back home, guys. I'm finna paint. This is what I drew these yesterday. I drew all 3 of them yesterday. I don't know how I feel about this one.
A cavity.
What?
So why he have a cavity?
He don't have a cavity, baby. I made him kind of short.
Do he have cavity?
No, he don't have a cavity. I think this is the one that you talked about. Him, right there.
Yeah, he have a cavity.
No, baby, that's not a cavity. He has a gap. I don't know why my scarf don't wanna do right. Like, get it together. It keeps slipping and sliding all across my head. Yeah, so I'm hungry. My mama's friend is watching some more. I worked up the courage to ask her earlier today when we dropped him off, and now I'm about to paint. So yeah, I was chilling for a little bit, and now I'm about to paint. I'm happy. I'm quiet. All right, you know, I think I'm getting better. I mean, I would hope so, but like I can see the improvement, like the, you know, I can see it, you know, like certain things. Like I used to be so scared to erase the lines. This is so random. Be scared to erase the lines before I started painting because I don't know, it was just, I was just scared that I was gonna mess it up like that. I'm so afraid to paint my drawings because I feel like I'm going to mess them up. That's why it takes me so long to finish, because I'm like scared to go back and do it. Like, but then I'm using this big old brush. Brush is huge, like for some of the details that I'm doing. Like this is way too big, but I haven't been able to find the I need to go on Amazon really, the size that I need, like the itty bitty teeny tiny. Like I just been, you know, struggling, going through it. No. Let me finish the paint. I be getting in my head sometimes, like, those are good. Oh wait, hold on. I don't think it's enough. I should take. This shit is nasty. That first bite was good, and then it was like the chocolate took over. My mama put me on Brookside. I didn't know that was the name. I mean, I knew the name, but like I couldn't. If you asked me what it was, there was no way I was gonna pull that out. I don't like blueberries, but the blueberry ones is good too. They just, it's acai and blueberry. Is it blueberry? Yeah. No, I did not mean to press that. My emotion's been like, I don't know. Mr. Great is not. I got the way my brain works. I have to like not all the time, but like sometimes I gotta completely rewatch a show in order to, you know, catch back up, because I'm going to forget. But then some shows, depending on how often I watch it, I can like just watch the previous episode and then go back. Like if a new season comes out, then I can just watch the previous episode, the last episode of the previous season, and then watch the new season. But like some shows is just like, I don't remember enough of this.